Hi, my name is Zack Williams. I'm from Maryland, and I'm attending the Ding King Training Institute here in Costa Mesa, California. I'm currently a military member, current active in West Virginia, and I'm trying to transition into the PDR and the automotive reconditioning. That's what brought me here, so I'm really excited. It's been a great experience so far. So doing some research, I actually took a 2-week course in Aliso Viejo area of California last year, and it just wasn't enough. I've been trying to come out to the Ding King Training Institute for about 6 years now. Just the research that I've done, it's the total package here basically is why I chose this place, from headlight restoration, wheel repair, PDR to paint correction, paint and auto like bumper repair. That's really what drew me here. I can't really find that at all the other different places that offer just basically PDR and stuff like that. So another caveat to that is they accept the vocational rehabilitation through the VA as well as the post 9/11 GI Bill now. That's what I'm actually using right now here at the school. So it's tough. Like I said, I had a 2-week course that kind of gave me a jump start before I came here. That was last March, so I've had time between last March and now to practice up a little bit. But if you're not doing it every single day for hours at a time, it's just something that you're not going to be able to pick up as fast. So I've got a little bit of experience doing some paintless dent repair here and there, but I wasn't really improving, so I made the choice to come out here and take the 5-week recon package under the post 9/11 GI Bill. Some of my experiences here, I've gone from small little door dings to pretty big fender damages to interior repair. I've done some interior repair. I've done windshield repair. I'm doing wheel repair right now as well as bumper repair, and did some paint correction and ceramic coating, which was a plus. That was a great course. So my process is a little different than some of the other guys here. I've been working with Cher, who was my first contact with the school back in 2014, and at that time they were not accepting the post 9/11 GI Bill. So I reached out to my VA counselor, who tried to get me in the vocational rehabilitation program, and I've been working on that for probably the last 3.5 years. So my process has been really extensive compared to some of the other guys that are going through the voc rehab. I was still in the process. Then I learned that the Ding King accepts the post 9/11 GI Bill, so just pushed it aside, and the post 9/11 just took effect immediately. As soon as I said I wanted to start class, Cher put me in, and we started on Monday, February the 2nd. So it was very quick with the post 9/11 GI Bill. Absolutely, I would recommend this institution to anyone looking for PDR or any kind of automotive reconditioning services. The team here and the staff are just outstanding. I mean, professional, help you with anything that you need, quick. You know, they're very, they know the industry. They'll get you in, they'll get you trained, and you know, anything after you leave the training institute, they give you your personal cell phone numbers to get in contact with them. So if you have any questions throughout your journey, I mean, they're there at the dial of a phone call. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this place to anyone that's looking to get into this type of business. Thank you, Ding King Training Institute. Thank you, Oleg, Todd, James, Sal, Cher, Michelle, the whole team, really. I mean, you guys are great. I couldn't ask for a better experience here, so thank you.